are a very welcoming nation and a country. It can be communicated, it can be said, but it can't be felt unless you are here. I believe that there's the need for relationship and peace between India and Pakistan is very important. The need for peace within the region is very important. And I'm optimistic because Pakistan has been able to increase and in fact eliminate a lot of disgruntlement or terrorism which was happening. And I believe that Pakistan is looking forward and has ensured the fact that it is a very secure country. I'll just give you an example. When all my Sikh brothers come to Pakistan, please visit your holy shrines. At the same time, try and visit the northern areas of Pakistan and other beautiful sites in Pakistan. You will be surprised by the beauty of this country and by the fact that the people will be welcoming you. I'll just give an example that the improving security situation can reflect on tourism generally. When I was talking today to a delegation from abroad, and I was expressing, in fact, from England and from Saudi Arabia, and in fact I was expressing to them that the maximum number of tourists who used to go to Gilgit and Baltistan in 2013 and 14 was about 15,000. This year, surprisingly, it's not a figure which has doubled. This year, 2.5 million tourists went without any effort by the government to increase tourism. People realize the fact that it is good, it is beautiful, it is welcoming. So I urge all of you to visit whenever possible, to visit the northern areas of Pakistan. It's always a pleasure when any overture of peace, any overture when like Pakistan opening up the Kartarpur corridor, and I understood the very good dream that the Kartarpur corridor and the Nankana Sahib should be linked. So with one episode you should be able to visit both places. Why not? It is something which we'll have to look as far as the government is concerned, but it is a good suggestion. It is a good suggestion which shall be looked into, and the fact that to ensure the fact that the Sikh brethren who come here can move around easily, go around Pakistan and see our beautiful sites. I thank you very much. I welcome you, my Sikh brothers and sisters. I welcome you. Have a good visit here, and inshallah, every year this number will keep on increasing and our bond of friendship will get on better and better. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.